It starts with a single piece of old-growth cedar cypress, nature's most impervious timber, immune to wood rot, mold, or infestations. Grown for a single purpose, building fortress doors that will stand the test of time. Air-dried and cured for years in the desert air, the beam is cut with precision, then hand-hewn and made ready for mortise and tenon construction. Alone, this single hand-hewn beam cannot fulfill its true calling. It takes a team of master craftsmen using old-world techniques passed down for millennia to create this original grand entrance. These tried and tested methods have run the course of history, seen today in the doorways of castles, cathedrals, and manor houses, the first impressions of kings, queens, and even emperors. With military precision, these masters intimately joined the solid timber beams to other finely crafted elements chosen for their quality, resilience, and lasting beauty. The wood begins to resemble something greater than itself. However, wood alone was never enough for kings, queens, and aristocrats to complete a fortress door. Wrought iron door pulls, hinges, and clavos are hot forged with anvil and hammer. This wrought iron provides the door with strength and protection to form an historic heirloom that will last forever. As these handcrafted elements come together, it is evident that this is no ordinary entrance. Art Factory's masters have handcrafted a grand entrance that will also stand the test of time. This fortress door completes its journey at the historic State Armory, built in 1895 for the Massachusetts militia, later used by the National Guard. The original complex consisted of 3 sections which were damaged in the 2011 tornado. The door marks the completion of the Armory's restoration and seamlessly complements the original architecture. The same architecture that inspired the whimsical buildings in the work of Dr. Seuss, the famed author whose childhood home sits just up the road. From the retail plaza below, you can take in the intricate exterior masonry, authentic window configuration, and trusses that reflect the original design. Welcome to MGM Springfield, committed to historic authenticity, community, and craftsmanship.